how much money do you need before you need a trust? Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do well. If you need estate planning help in Washington State, cmslawfirm.com. All right, this is a common question I get. I think it's a common question people think about. How much assets do I need before I need a revocable trust? What I usually tell people is you're asking the wrong question. I need to know different information to tell you if you need a trust. It doesn't have a lot to do with your assets, although I guess there is some minimum threshold that you would want to consider, but that threshold is different for everyone. Here's what I mean. A trust really does two things for you really, really well. First, it helps you avoid probate, okay? So here's a good example. If you have an LLC and you want to pass it on to somebody and it's worth $100,000, let's say, you are going to want to create a trust to pass that LLC on to whoever you want it to go to without probate. Okay, LLC interest, business interest, those are pretty much the few things that cannot be transferred in some other way other than with the trust. So you might want to consider that. The other consideration, and this is where your own threshold kind of makes a difference, is trusts allow you to have control and authority over your assets after you're gone. So what you want your heirs to get, your kids, for example, outright, is going to be different for everyone. For some, they would never want to give $50,000 to their kid. Maybe they have a drug problem. Maybe they're 4 years old. Maybe they want that money to be used specifically for something. You would create a trust in that circumstance. Okay, so the amount is going to change for everyone. The question is, do you need what a trust can do in your life? If the answer is yes, you get a trust. All right, that's it. Reminder, Christopher Small, owner of CMS Law Firm. If you guys need estate planning or probate help, cmslawfirm.com will hook you up.